So, well, guys, this is the final lesson, and in it, I'll share some secrets about equipment maintenance, some life hacks, and also some additional useful information. Now, regarding polymer usage, remember from our lessons that we primarily work with two types of polymer: the sealing polymer and the liquid polymer. The liquid polymer is the primary one used to fill chips and cracks. The bit will then drill like new again. About the polishing paste, you probably remember what it's for, right? It's used to polish the filled chip crater. Following advice: if another chip appears in the future, it is essential to cover it with tape. The crack, it usually takes about 40 minutes. This time includes damage assessment, client check-in, the actual repair class. It provides 10x magnification, perfect for those with weaker eyesight, or well, that brings us to the end. This was a really interesting lesson, and I hope you found it useful. Now, it's all about gaining experience. I wish you all the best in your work. This was Andrew signing off. Alright, guys, take care, see you next time.